Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to prevent new applications from showing up on your home screen. So if you download new applications appear of course in our main menu, and now they will appear somewhere in our home screen too. To turn off this option we have to go to settings, then we are looking for a home screen option, and here we have add new apps to home screen. We simply uncheck this box, and now new application won't appear on our home screen. It will be left clean as it was. Of course, we can add applications if we want to by just add to home, and of course it will stay like this, and new applications won't appear anywhere here with this option disabled. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.